So, what to do guys? Again, ulitin ko. Building repair project, we just have to fix the buildings. Okay? So, what are the rules? Common rules ng building repair. Draw corners precisely. Delete grounds. Label missed buildings. Do not do multi-layer for residential buildings. And for big buildings, you must need to draw multi-layer for the big buildings. So, hindi naman siguro na problema sa atin yung multi-layer, right? Problema pa ba sa atin yung multi-layer?
Hindi na, sir. Hindi na.
So, pinagdaanan nyo na yung mga dragon. Diba? So, ganito lang yun guys. Pag nakakuha kayo ng blank map, kagaya nito, as you can see, blank yung first map natin, just submit. Okay, no need to do anything for this map. Submit. Tubig po iyan. Alam din natin yung gumamit, nakapagtrabaho din tayo sa LC, right? Or sa nature. Alam natin kung ano yung tubig, di ba? Ano yung itsura ng tubig. So, we can just submit water. Kasi wala naman yan, blank maps yan. Okay, so let us check again. Sana merong bahay na. Okay, so this is our project, building repair project to be exact. Okay, meron na. Okay, so sino yung nakatrabaho sa building update?
Kami, sir.
Oh, so hindi na rin naman siguro sa inyo problema mag-check ng ganito yung itsura, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay. So what to do? Meron po tayong, uunahin ko muna yung rules ha. Basic rules, balikan natin yon. What to do, how to check. Guys, meron po tayong pattern sa pag-check ng ating map. As you can see, per grids po iyan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 grids. Okay? And we have a rules na kapag sumabit yung bahay sa upper grid or left grid, we do not have to capture those buildings. Kapag sumabit, okay, kahit gamunggo, wag nyo i-capture kapag sumabit. Okay, dito sa grid na to, kapag sumabit dyan, or dito sa upper part. Okay? Pero kapag sumabit sa right part ng ating grid, yung bahay, or sa bottom part ng ating grid, yung bahay, we have to capture those buildings. Okay? Kasi atin yan. Okay? So, am I clear sa grid rules, guys?
Yes.
Okay. And then, isa pa, meron po tayong pattern ng pag-check, like I said, na starting from grid 1 up until bumaba po tayo. Ganito po yung pattern ng pag-check natin ng map. Okay? Hindi kayo pwede mag-check ng map starting from here to here to here to here to here to here. Pag ganyan. No. Okay. Ganyan. Walang pattern na ganyan. Magulo. Okay? Kasi magtatagal kayo sa mapa. Again, this is a speed battle. Okay? So, hindi pwede yung ganito. So, stay sa pattern na binigay ko. Okay? So, dapat ganito yung pag-check ng grid. So, starting from grid 1, we have to check this. Zoom in. All we need to do guys, dito sa building repair po, ito, ano ito? Ano tawag dito? Ano tawag sa mga bahay na to?
Residential.
Again?
Residential.
Okay. So residential buildings, we do not have to cut residential buildings. We do not have to cut and group. We do not have to multi-layer. No cutting sa residential houses. No multi-layers. Okay? So make sure nyo na yung residential, kagaya nito, na nakat is i-merge nyo. Just select this label and then click letter V. Okay? For it to merge. Lilipat ako sa ibang grid. Merong bahay dito pero hindi ko gagalawin yan. Why? May pattern tayo, like I said, pag ganyan. So, dito ako magsisimula. Pabaya ako yan kahit may error pa ako nakita dyan. So, for this one, click nyo palagi yung letter R, okay? This is a pavement. Okay? Hindi iyan bahay. As you can see, ito may shadow. Ito wala. Flat siya. Magkasing level sila ng driveway. So, this is a pavement. So, just select and then delete. This one, what to do?
Merge.
Merge, delete ground.
Merge. Okay, so merge natin. For this one, kasi ito po ay isang ambiguous cases. Okay? And this one, I think, is a ground. Kasi hindi na yan reasonable. No reasonable shape ng bahay. Kahit i-merge ko pa yung ganyan, oo, reasonable. Pwede siya maging bahay yung shape niya. Pero as you can see, this is a much lower part or flat area siya. So, just select and then delete. That would be labeled as ground. Okay? This one, merge. And, naalala niyo naman siguro yung sabi ko. 'Di ba? Wala namang sirena dito na nakakatira sa swimming pool. 'Di ba? Wala naman ditong shokoy. So, hindi natin kailangan itong i-label as
Building. Residential.
yeah, okay. So, this is a swimming pool. So, just select and then delete. So, Vincent, pahiram pa ko. Dalawang ID pa. So, again, this one. Ano to?
Pavement.
Always click letter R, guys. Kasi yung mga label na po na yan, makikita nyo, halos bahay, parang bahay din yung shape niyan. Gawa yan ng system. Okay? So, please double check. Click R para makita nyo yung difference nung label na yung bahay na may label at saka yung bahay na wala. So, for this one, ano to?
Pavement.
Driveway po.
Driveway, di ba? So, select and then delete. Maalam na rin naman kayo sa area, maalam na kayo. Pero sa building, doon tayo magkakaproblema. Pero hindi na rin naman problema yon kasi kung gagamitin nyo lang yung mga previous experience nyo about sa ibang project natin, napakadali gawin ito. Okay, magdadagdag pa ako ng 2 pang ID. Guys, hindi kayo kailangan matakot. So, baba na tayo. Nasa baba. Yung mga okay na bahay, guys, do not waste your time fixing those buildings. Okay? Pag ambiguous yung, for those ambiguous buildings, guys, ambiguous, it means natabunan ng puno, blurry, hindi masyado nakikita. Like, for example, like this one, reasonable shape is would be better. Okay? Hindi nyo na kailangan pagandahin pa. Basta reasonable na. Gawan nyo ng box, kunin nyo yung corners, and that is all good. This one, that is okay. Okay. For this building, as I can see, pwede ko pa dagdagan yung part na to. So, dadagdagan ko para maging at least reasonable nga siya, di ba? So, that is reasonable shape. May error dito, pero hayaan ko yan kasi susundin ko yung grade rules ko para at least tuloy-tuloy yung pag-check ko. For this one, merge, right? For this one, merge. And for this one, anong gagawin dito?
Redraw. Or delete redraw. Or delete yung hindi ka.
Merge.
No need to, no need to redraw na po. Kasi, yung no need to redraw na po. Kasi, yung bahay na to is okay na rin yan. Okay, this is all good. We just have to delete yung hindi kasali, which is eto. This one is a ground. As you can see, pag nag-click kayo ng R, kitang-kita visible na ground siya, right? So, we have to select, delete. Yes, shadow. Ito ay move lang natin. And that would be perfect enough. Okay? For this one, may missing part. Okay, dito tayo magsisimula mag-draw. And as you can see sa buong mapa na to, ito lang yata yung isa sa ina-draw ko. Dalawa lang di ba? Dalawa lang yung i-draw ko. So for this one, may missing part. So what to do?
Draw po.
Give me an idea. Ha?
Repair. Extend. Repair.
Okay. Wag na natin i-delete kasi sayang oras natin. Let us just use repair tool. Repair tool using letter X. Di ba? Si X natin, pakinabangan natin. And that would be perfect enough. Submit. Tapos, ganyan lang po kadali yung gagawin natin. For the block maps, kagaya nito, if ever maka-encounter kayo later, this is all a blank map. So, we can just submit that one and submit this one as well. Pasok Pasok tayo dito sa may bahay. Okay. So this one, we have to check those buildings again or those labels. So wala po label dito. Walang label dito sa first grid and then second grid. So diretso tayo sa third and fourth. Same dito. Nasa fifth and sixth lang yung bahay. Wala na dito. So hindi na natin kailangan yung part, i-check yung part na walang bahay. So ito, cancel na lahat ng grid na yan. So just para hindi na kayo mag-waste ng time. Okay? So all you need to do is to delete ground, merge residential building which is cut. As you can see, merong wall. So select, long press control, drag. For those buildings naman na hindi nakikita na masyado yung wall, we can ignore those. Okay? Pero sa mga nakikita yung wall, like for example, eto, as you can see, may shade of white siya and then nakaangat yung building. So we can just select and then drag for that wall. Delete grounds. This is a caravan. Okay? So let us delete caravans. Wall, draw again. This one, what is this? Kids.
Garage.
Garage. So garage is not a building. So deduct natin. Ito, yung part niya, asan?
Ay, nasaan din?
Outside grid.
Outside.
Outside of the grid. So hindi po tayo pwede mag-capture ng bahay na ganito. 'Di ba?
Delete.
So we can just select and then delete. Pag nag-capture naman kayo, baka mamaya may makita ako dyan, ganito yung gawin ha. Ito lang. Baka mamaya may mag-capture dyan, ganito yung gawin, no? Itatama nila sa grid kasi akala nila LC. Ganyan. Guys, walang bahay na ganyan na. Bahay po ito. We are labeling buildings, so we should draw them as a whole. Hindi po ito, hindi pwede yung putol. Okay? So kung yung bahay nakuha na or nandun sa top grid natin, we do not have to capture that. So we can ignore this or delete this. Okay? We can just delete this kasi para yan sa kapitbahay. Align natin sa kanya. For this one, kita yung wall. So just select and then drag. Ground, delete, merge, delete ground, select, drag, delete, delete, drag for this wall, delete ground, merge, delete ground, this one, delete, gawin natin isa lang yan. Drag for that wall, this one, merge to, select, drag, delete ground,